Hi everyone, welcome on Felt. My name is Sandeep. Today's topic is how can you register yourself on Imuga immigration apps? If you people want to travel in Maldives during this pandemic times, so are you guys ready for that? Let's go.
So once you enter this Emuga Maldives immigration app, so first you can see that two types of languages provided, Chinese or English. So you just click on English, and then next tab you just click on arrival because you come from some different countries. So any of the countries you come, obviously you just tick on arrivals. So and after that you just will go through with the personal information. So is the first ones your first name, and then your last name, your email address, and your port of entry is like Valhalla International Airports, or you can say Malaysia Port. And after that you just click your own selfie, or you have any pictures, a photo of yourself, so you just click on it, and after that just upload on this app. And after that your mobile number, your which countries you are, so you obviously just your country code, and then your mobile number, and then your alternate mobile number, it should be on your spouse or your any other family member number, and then your passports, so which you just go through with your passport number, your passport expiry date, nationalities, then next you go place of birth, gender. NID is just ID card number, it's only ways for Maldivians, so no need to fill this one. Your arrival date, date of birth, flight or ship number. So I think 99% people just travel go through with the flight, so you just mention your flight number, and then your seat and deck number, no need to fill up. Traveling form, so it's like a country, you mention your country name. Then duration of stay, if arrivals, so duration of stay you just mention over there. If you are a traveler, so like how long you want to stay in all this, like 15 days, 13 days, or 1 week. Or if you have work permits, you want to come here as a work permit, so you just fill up bare minimum 4 months. So 4 months you can calculate like 1 month 30 days, 2 months 60, 3 months 90, so 4 months something close to 120 days. And country of residence, which country you are from, mode of transport, so you can mention over here by air, place of residence, so where you just coming in a Maldives, so like which resort you are to coming, or which resort you are going to work, you just mention your resort names over here. And then which islands will you be stay in it, so you just mention on your islands different hotels, so different hotels names, so which hotels you go through for spend your holidays, or if you're going for work also, so you just mention your hotel or your resort name. And which facilities will you be staying in, so like for like once you come entering here, so when you go through with a quarantine, if your work visa, so you just mention over there, or your resort provide you quarantine facilities in your resort, so you just go through with the quarantine in your resort, or your resort provide some others quarantines place, so you just mention over there. But for travelers visa, obviously no need to fill up, you just fill up your resort names, which resort you're going through it. Purpose of visit you mention over here, purpose of visit you mention over here, is like the traveler or the work permit, so you just mention over here. Address in Maldives, so you just address in Maldives, once again you just fill up your resort name, so which resort you're coming for spend your holidays, or your which resort you want to come for work, you just mention over here. Permit number obviously is only for work permits, so if you people are coming for work purpose, so obviously you're getting a work visa card as well. So on this visa card is mentioned your date of issue and date of expiry, so you just fill up on your date of expiry as well. Now next one, some of your health informations you just fill up of. So here you can upload your PCR test negative reports, and then this, if you have any of symptoms like have you traveled or transferred in a yellow fever endemic country with the last 6 days, if yes, so then just tick. If not, then no need to tick, just empty this block. Or have you been vaccinated for yellow fever 10 days prior to your arrival date? So if yes, if you facing, so then tick yes. If not, then leave this block empty. Date of vaccination, obviously if you nothing travel in this country, so no need to fill up this. And this one also, some like you've had or have fever, so if yes, then tick, otherwise leave it. Have fever on set date, if yes, then mention, otherwise just leave it. Cough, cold, leave it. Basically if your PCR is negative, so just one look on this question and answer. Sore throat, if yes, then click it, otherwise just leave this blocks. Have had breathing difficulty, if yes, then click, otherwise leave it. Have you registered in Hullabaloo web portals? Yes, so once you come over here, so you should be go through with the two apps. One is Imuga and other was Hullabaloo. So if you fill up this Hullabaloo already, so you just tick it, or otherwise once you fill it Hullabaloo, register yourself on top of Hullabaloo, and after that you just tick over here. So country that you travel to or transit in last 14 days, so you just mention your country name as well. And then luggage also, you fill the luggage. If you have a carry one luggage, two luggage, number of luggage you mention over here. And when you come to all this readings, go through with this portal, then last you come here and you see it's not completely visible, but last is you can see here last submit. So once you submit your all the details, last this in Imuga app, on top of you get generate your QR code. So in this QR code you just make a screenshot, or otherwise if you already provide your email address, so this email address you get your confirmation, like it's mentioned that you are successfully done your immigration on Imuga app. I hope you guys really like this information. If you really like it, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press bell icon. Till the time, stay tuned with us on Felt.